Hello everyone. We are here for assignment submission of quantity methods including time series and regression, right? What do you mean by quantity method? The methods which use historical dates, uses the methodology which use historical dates, mathematical models to predict this for something analysis. This is called quantity method. There are two types of methods here. We have to explain over here. Time series analysis and regression analysis. As we can understand, time series method is a part of quantitative method, and this is a kind of objective analysis. Time series method understand the data is with the time analysis, means time series and time analysis method data is ordered and oriented, and we have to use this data to predict the another thing. This is called time series analysis. Time series analysis, data is dependent on the time, while the regression method is called as considered as a time is the data is independent and random. This is the basic difference between time series analysis quantitative method and the regression quantitative method. Time series method includes autocorrelation, decomposition, smoothing pattern, while the regression quantitative method includes polynomial, logistic, and linear models in understanding the process of quantitative analysis. Thank you.